In primetime news this evening, to test or not to test, debate is raging over government's announcement that tourists are not obligated to do COVID-19 tests. JTA predicts chaos with new CSEC and CAPE exams adjustments. And more pleas for citizens to observe mask-wearing protocol.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the protests that are taking place across the United States?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, or tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.